Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're passionate about motorcycles, tech, reviews, and the latest in the world of two wheels, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride with us. Today, we're diving into something that's been generating a lot of buzz lately, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan. If you're thinking about upgrading your cruiser, or you just love keeping up with the latest from Kawasaki, then this video is for you. The Kawasaki Vulcan has long been one of the most iconic names in the cruiser segment, known for its strong performance, aggressive yet refined styling, and reliability. The Vulcan series has earned a place in the hearts of riders around the world. As we enter 2025, Kawasaki has raised the bar with some significant upgrades to its popular Vulcan lineup. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan, from the engine specs to the tech features, handling, design, and all the little things that make this bike unique. We've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether the 2025 Vulcan is the right fit for you. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan is its bold new design. Kawasaki has always been known for blending modern aesthetics with a classic cruiser feel, and with the 2025 model, they've really taken this to the next level. The 2025 Vulcan offers a more aggressive stance, with sharper lines and a more defined presence on the road. This is a bike that demands attention. Kawasaki has opted for a minimalist, muscular design, and it's easy to see the inspiration drawn from both custom chopper culture and the iconic muscle cruisers of the past. The low-slung chassis, combined with the sleek tank and bold use of chrome and matte finishes, gives the Vulcan a futuristic yet timeless look. The front of the bike features a new angular headlamp, replacing the more rounded setup of previous years. This gives the Vulcan a sharper, more dynamic front-end profile. The sculpted bodywork and clean lines also lend a sense of fluidity, with the bike looking like it's ready to leap forward, even when standing still. Color options for 2025 also include some exciting new combinations, from classic metallic blacks to vibrant reds and deep blues, with some special edition finishes. You'll definitely have a chance to pick the Vulcan that best matches your personality. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, or more specifically, what's under the tank. The heart of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan is its engine, and Kawasaki has made some significant improvements here as well. This bike comes with a 1700cc V-twin engine, which has become synonymous with the Vulcan name over the years. Kawasaki has always been known for building powerful and reliable motors, and the 2025 Vulcan is no exception. The 1700cc V-twin is tuned to deliver smooth and accessible power throughout the rev range, making it ideal for both relaxed cruising and more spirited rides when you want to open it up a bit. The engine is designed for torque, lots of it, with a focus on delivering that low-end grunt that cruisers are known for. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling twisty back roads, the Vulcan's powertrain is designed to keep you confident and in control. The 2025 Vulcan also features an updated exhaust system with a more aggressive growl. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the sound to ensure that it sounds deep and rich without being overbearing, giving you that unmistakable V-twin rumble. One notable feature of the 2025 Vulcan is its improved fuel efficiency. Kawasaki has worked on refining the engine's performance, and this new model offers better miles per gallon compared to previous iterations. So, Whether you're doing long-distance touring or short weekend rides, you won't have to stop for gas as often. In the past, cruisers were all about simplicity with minimal tech or features. However, as motorcycle technology has advanced, so is the demand for more creature comforts, and Kawasaki has listened to that feedback. The 2025 Vulcan is packed with tech features designed to make your riding experience more enjoyable and safe. One of the standout features is the new 7-inch TFT display. This fully digital screen gives you all the information you need at a glance. You can easily toggle through settings for ride modes, fuel efficiency, tire pressure, and more. And for the tech-savvy rider, the display can also sync with your smartphone, giving you access to turn-by-turn navigation, music control, and even call alerts. No longer do you have to choose between the classic cruiser look and modern tech. The 2025 Vulcan offers both. Speaking of ride modes, the 2025 Vulcan comes with multiple modes that you can switch between on the fly depending on the conditions. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking on an open highway, you can adjust the bike's performance to suit your needs. This means more control over throttle response, power delivery, and even traction control, which we'll talk more about in a moment. Another key upgrade is the improved electronics suite, which includes enhanced ABS, anti-lock braking system, and traction control. These systems work together to keep you safe, especially during adverse conditions. Whether it's rain, gravel, or a slick corner, these features help maintain stability and control, giving you more confidence on the road. When it comes to handling, Kawasaki has made some major improvements in the 2025 Vulcan. The chassis has been re-engineered to be more responsive and stable, especially at higher speeds. The updated suspension system is designed to provide a smooth ride even on less than perfect roads. The front and rear shocks have been fine-tuned to give the rider the best balance of comfort and performance, whether you're on long highway stretches or winding mountain roads. Kawasaki has also addressed comfort for longer rides with an updated seat and ergonomic improvements. The 25225 Vulcan features a slightly wider, more padded seat that provides better support on longer rides. The foot pegs have been positioned to give a more natural riding posture, reducing strain on your knees and back during long tours. And if you want to enhance the comfort even more, Kawasaki offers a variety of accessories such as touring seats, backrests, and highway bars to further customize your ride. With the adjustable handlebars and foot controls, the 2025 Vulcan can be tailored to suit riders of different heights and preferences. Whether you're a shorter rider or someone looking for a more laid-back cruiser feel, you'll be able to find the right fit on this bike. Safety is always a top priority, and Kawasaki has made sure the 2025 Vulcan has everything you need to ride with peace of mind. As I mentioned earlier, the bike is equipped with the latest generation of ABS and traction control, which are standard on all models. These systems work seamlessly together, ensuring you're always in control, no matter the road conditions. Additionally, the 2025 Vulcan comes with LED lighting all around. This not only improves the bike's visibility to other motorists, but also enhances its aesthetic appeal. The sharp LED headlights and tail lights give the bike a modern and sleek look, while providing superior illumination during night rides. Kawasaki has also introduced a new rear-view camera system, which is integrated into the rear of the bike. This system helps provide additional awareness, especially when navigating tight spaces or parking. It's a small addition, but one that adds an extra layer of convenience and safety. So, After all of that, is the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan worth your attention? Absolutely. The 2025 Vulcan represents a perfect blend of power, comfort, modern tech, and timeless cruiser style. Whether you're a first-time cruiser buyer or a seasoned rider looking for a worthy upgrade, this bike ticks all the boxes. The improvements to design, engine performance, tech features, and safety make the 2025 Vulcan an incredibly well-rounded machine. It's comfortable for long rides, fun for more spirited rides, and packed with all the features you could want. If you love cruisers that stand out on the road, deliver serious performance, and give you the tech you need for today's rides, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan is a bike you should seriously consider. And there you have it, folks, everything you need to know about the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or thoughts about the Vulcan, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you're the first to know when we drop new content. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the throttle open. Ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.